This is a quick tutorial about the Python absolute function. In Python there is a function abs which converts any other value into its absolute value. Okay, so here we have taken two variables. The first variable a1 contains a negative float value which is minus 27.5, and a2 variable contains a complex number 1 plus 2j. So using the absolute function, we are going to convert into its absolute value. So the function is abs and it takes the argument as the full value. So we have just passed the a1 and a2 variables as argument here, and we are again storing them into the a1, a2 variables respectively. And then we are just printing them out to see what this absolute function does. Okay, so I'm just opening the console and here I am typing the file name, which is hello.py. And you can see the output as absolute values. So minus 27.5 has been converted into 27.5 and 1 plus 2j has been converted into its absolute value, which is this 2.23606 and so on. So that's all about the abs function. Thanks for watching the video.